So you guys know how important it is to take care of your hair, definitely in the cold weather months that we are headed towards and is currently in, you guys. So I figure, why not do a hair mask? But this is not just any hair mask. This is the Cardi B's hair mask. I decided to give it a try on my 4C hair type. And so I want you guys to see how that would look if you have similar hair like I do. I just took my hair out of braids, so we are going to be applying the mask on basically not washed hair. So we're going to apply the mask, wash it out, shampoo, condition. I'm not going to show you guys me washing my hair, the shampoo, conditioner, and washing it out, but I will show you guys what it looks like applying the mask in my hair. Yes, we're gonna just get right into it. And if you are new here, welcome to SBE Aesthetics. Here on this channel, I show you guys beauty, lifestyle, entrepreneurship videos, and all about being an esthetician, you guys. I am your licensed esthetician and professional makeup artist, and we are going to get started. I know it's been a while, so forgive me, you guys. I have been dealing with life, and I know you all can relate to what that could potentially be. Sometimes you got to take a break at some of the things you would love to do, which for me is YouTube. But I did have to take a standstill due to some life circumstances that I have been currently going through, and now I'm working my way moving forward. But I thought, why not get into a nice hair mask to moisture your hair and make it more healthy and luscious and thick. So yeah, let me stop rambling on and we're going to get started. We are going to make the mask, and I'm going to show you exactly what products I have now. Okay, you guys, so you guys saw me add the ingredients. I really like how thick it is. It's very nice and thick. In her ingredients, it did say add 2 avocados, but I had 1 large avocado, so that was enough for me. But I did get all the other ingredients, which was avocado, argan oil, mayonnaise, castor oil, olive oil, 2 eggs, honey, and a banana. So this batch of hair mask is literally all the products that Cardi B used in her hair, and I want you guys to see the consistency. And we're pretty much gonna probably use this everywhere throughout my head. I don't think I have any hair clips. Let me see. I'm just gonna go ahead and part my hair. Now mind you guys, this is from an old braid out that I had my hair, so forgive me. It's not washed. It's still kind of curly, but don't let the curls you see now be fooled with, you know, the curls that might pop up when applying a mask. But I just want you guys to get a good look so you guys can see. I'm gonna clip my hair and I'll be right back. Okay, so now that I got my hair separated in 4 sections, I am going to go ahead and take this. This is an old leave-in conditioner bottle that I had, and I just added water, but I'm just going to spritz my hair a little bit just to make it a little bit more manageable to comb and work that mask in. So I'm just going to go right in, dip. I hope I don't get messy. I do like how thick this mask is, and if you're like a green type of person, like you love the smell of green, that's exactly what you're gonna smell with this mask. And I like the smell of it. It smells green, it smells fresh. So that's kind of what you're gonna get from it. It smells good to me. I know I watched some videos on YouTube and some people didn't like the smell of it, but I actually like my batch. Mine smell really good. Wow, I really like this. Just how thick is, you know, it's going. It's really cool. Cool. I'm just working it all in there. I'm probably gonna more than likely use everything in there. And I try to detangle as much as I can, you know, so. I mean, so far I'm liking it. Like, my hair ain't never been this elongated like this. Like, this is dope. I like it. I'm gonna take this comb and I'm going to comb it, start from the ends, right? Now I might have some hair come out, y'all, because I just got done taking my braids out. I haven't even combed it or anything, so don't be scared if y'all see hair coming out, because I have my braids in for a long time. So forgive what you see. Don't be scared. It's okay. Oh gosh. So thus far, I do like what I see. So look at this. Look at this. I didn't think it would make my hair look like this. It's like straightening it. I promise you this is not a relaxer. This is what it's looking like. I like it, I guess. Okay, it does kind of stink now. I ain't even gonna lie. So we're gonna go ahead and do the back part. Since we already like on the side, I'm gonna spritz this with water a little bit. Make sure you get the ends of your hair. Yeah, this is this is different. You know, It's not really messy if you organize yourself when making this mask. I try to avoid things like this because I don't like mess, but it's not as messy as I thought it would be because I kind of like prepped everything, my whole little station for this. So, but I really never see my curls busting like this, like at all. Like they're really like busting right now. I just wanted to show y'all how 4C hair looks. If you have 4C hair, 9 times out of 10, you are going to have shrinkage. Look how stretched my hair is with this mask. But it started to dry down. Look how short it is on this side. That's because it's the shrinkage, you guys. Look at the shrinkage compared to this. Okay, you guys, so as you can see, I twisted my hair up, and I'm going to do the same on this side. I'm just going to twist and add more product as it dries down, of course, down on its own like this without covering it up. I could use it like an actual, I do got like a plastic grocery bag, but I don't know, it ain't that deep for me. I'll just leave it how it is. Like for real, get this on the edges, on that edge right here, like you about to create some baby hair or something. And then we'll turn around to the back. Okay, it's been about 20 minutes. I done let the mask sit in my hair. I'm going to go ahead and wash it out. It feels it's still moist, still like moisture, but kind of like hard a little. Not hard, but like, you know, like dried down a little. But I like it. I'm going to wash it out, let you guys see what it looks like after it's washed out. I'm gonna wash it out, shampoo, condition my hair, and I'm going to show you guys what that looks like when I'm done. But I want to show you guys what it looked like right now, and I'll be back. Okay, you guys, so I got out the shower, washed my hair with shampoo and conditioner, and I tied it or twisted it up. Now I'm untwisting it. I already twisted, well, French braided. I put a hair tie in and French braided my hair, so I'm going to show you guys what I'm doing after I get done washing my hair. So I'm going to be applying some Cantu leave-in conditioner, and then I'm going to be using Blue Magic hair grease just to lock in the moisture. Okay. I probably saw me rub that lotion, or not lotion, that hair grease in my hair. That was my mistake. I'm putting the leave-in in first, and then the blue hair grease. I don't have a brush. I mean, I do, but I don't feel like getting up and get it, so I'm just going to use my comb to comb my hair out, as you guys can see. Take this black hair tie and tie my hair up. Okay, so we're gonna break it up, and then we're going to twist the hair. Yeah, break it up, twist. I probably got something in my eye. I'm just gonna take it and brush what I feel that needs to be brushed. I like this blue grease though. It's like, you know, it's old school by taking it back, but it's really soft and conditioning. Like, I remember using this when I was a little girl. My mom would put this in her hair, but I guess I really didn't use it myself. I just remember her using it on me and my sisters. So I'm just putting it on my hair, locking it, because I do this. You do not have to do this, but I do this to give my hair extra moisture, to lock in that moisture, to give it more shine and all that, because honey, you can never have too much. Hey you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I was going to go ahead and show you how I styled my hair, but I'm going to make that a part 2 video. So just stay on the lookout for that, and you'll get to see how I actually style my hair and what I decided to wear for that day. See you guys in part 2 video. Ciao.